So, hello guys, welcome to day 3. I spent about 4 to 5 weeks since last time that I was trying to fix this problem with this keyboard. I googled a lot to find out if there is any spare part for this flat cable ribbon, but you can't find it. Or even if I found it at some stage, but the prices were so high, 140 euros just for this part. And if you look at the internet, in eBay or in Germany, there is one website, it's Kleinanzeigen, means very small advertisements for private people who don't need their stuff, and they sell it over this website. And there I found a complete working keyboard for 80 euros. So, does it make sense? No. So, I decided to come up with some heuristic solution. I'll show you what I found. In our cable, in this one, I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you this way. This is our flat flex cable. From the other side, we have one 10 and 14 cable. So I found these standard ones in internet. You can find it for very cheap. You can find them for very cheap. I'll write down the part number of these flat flex cables. I found them in Mauser, but you can find it from any store in your local country, any local store in your country, for example, Farnell, DigiKey, Mauser, those online stores that provide you with electronic devices and things like this. So you'll find the part numbers in the description of this video. Don't worry. Also, I ordered these matching sockets, so that you see I've mounted already these 10 and this 14 pin on the motherboard. And from the other side, what I'm going to do is to use a flat cable like this. This you can find anywhere in any hardware store. I think it is 24. From the other side, I've already soldered these sockets, these matching sockets, so that and from this side, I will try to match these wires that I've already soldered to make it a little bit thicker. So I remove this. It's easy. It's very easy to remove this, and then I will clean up here these contacts, and then I will replace this one with these wires here. And from the other side, I will put these cables into these. So I have to remove these ones. These are just for demonstration, just to show you. These two I will remove, and these cables I will put here. And just to show you how is it possible to remove this part, I wanted to make a video about this. So if you just make this upside down and have a look, just here, don't turn around. You can see here there is a very little tiny thing. All you need to do is just to push it. I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand. So I will push it this central part. I can't do it with one hand. This central point, I just push it. There's a pin from the other side. This will come up and then you can easily remove it. And that's it. I'll try to do it here. Maybe you can see it better. So let me adjust my angle. So okay. So now as you can see, I can simply take this thing off. These are little tiny things. And then just take this off, and that's not anymore here, so connected. So I'll clean this up and probably I will apply the same graphite that I used here for other contacts. I will apply it to these contacts as well, and then I will try to match these wires one by one here and then put this back to its place. I think it's easier if I don't video it because I don't know how long would it take. I'll show you the results afterwards. So bye for now.